Hello folks, we have a Am Outlander 700 here with the new Rotex engine in. So 2025, anyways, we had some issues with it. We were out riding it and she lost all power. So we're just gonna see it's back in the garage right now. It's going to go to the shop. Put the key on and put the power on. And let's just push the button and see what happens. I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but lights are going flashing. Click, click, click. There was a little battery signal on before. There we go. Battery's on, but she's brand new. What does she have for hours on her? Engine temperature. Battery voltage. 10.9 volts. So it definitely doesn't have enough power to it, RPM. Okay, she's got to go to the shop, but we'll see what's happening with this thing. A very strange thing. We were out riding and it just turned off, and that's all she does. Like the battery's not getting charged up. Shut her off. Ugh. Pop the old key off and keep you guys informed what it is, because it's beyond me. I don't know why the battery isn't charging. There appears to be some power in it, but not enough to start it. Very strange. Hopefully other people haven't had the same problem I had, but yeah, I only had 3.5 hours on it. It's a 40K. She was brand new, and we have a dead quad. Okay, take care, folks. I'll update you on what's happening to the thing. Bye.